In this video, we'll learn how to create a PR-2, Primary Treating Physician's Progress Report, in PinkyBill. 1. Access the patient's visits. Click on the Patients tab from the main menu. Open the desired patient. Navigate to the Visits tab. 2. Open the PR-2 form. Click on the settings icon of the visit for which you want to create an PR-2. Select PR-2 from the list of available forms. 3. Fill in the PR-2 details. The form will open with patient, provider, and claim information already filled in. Complete the remaining required fields. Subjective. Record the patient's reported symptoms. Objective findings. Enter examination results. RMR. Review the medical records if available. Diagnosis. Select or enter the correct diagnosis. Treatment plan. Specify recommended treatment or services. Work status. Check the boxes of patient's ability to work and any restrictions. The file name is automatically generated by PinkyBill. If needed, you can rename it before saving. You can preview the report by downloading it from here. 4. Save and store the PR-2. Click Save as Patient Docs. The PR-2 will be stored under the Patient Documents in the Medical Reports folder. Your PR-2 has now been successfully created. You can click on it to open and review the document. #5. Editing a PR-2. Go to the Patient Documents and locate your PR-2 in the Medical Reports folder. Click the Download button to download it as a Word file. Make your edits, then upload the updated file.
PinkyBill.